kids! Today we're going to learn another special letter. It comes right after A. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter B! B is for ball, bouncing around. B is for bear, big and brown. B says boo like in buzzing bee. B says B like the letter you see. Let's say it together, B. Can you draw it in the air with your finger? One big line down, then two bumps. That's how we make a capital B. B is for boat, sailing away. B is for banana, we eat every day. B is brilliant, what a fun way. Let's clap for B, hip hip hooray. Great job, friends! Now we know the letter B. The next step in our ABC journey.